Now, our topic this morning was all about parts of the body. Now, we identify the parts of the body. What is this? Okay, very good. Hair. Where is your ears? Very good. Where is your eyes? Very good. What you call this? Okay, nose. What you call is this? Okay, very good. Neck. Where's your chest? Okay, very good. Where is this? Okay, very good. Stomach. Where is this? Tight. Where is your leg? Very good. Can you put these toes? Okay, very good. What is this? Okay, very good. Head. Where is your mouth? Very good. Where is your arm? Very good. Can you raise your hand? Very good. Where is your fingers? Okay, very good. Can you point to your fingers? Okay, very good. Can you point to your knee? Okay, very good. Where is your foot? Very good. Okay, right. Okay, class. Can you read this part of the body? Okay. Hair, ears, eyes, nose, neck, chest, stomach, thigh, leg, toes, head, mouth, arm, hand, fingers, knee, and foot. Okay, very good.